Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, I'm going to tell you how you can win a knife. And I'm also going to be reviewing an EDC flashlight made by Olight. It's the Baton 4.0 Pro. They sent it to me. I've been seeing a lot of flashlights before, guys, but if I don't like them, I don't show them. But this one I really love. Again, it's the Olight Baton 4.0 Pro. And I'll show you all the features on it over here. But first, we're going to talk about the knife that you're eligible to win. But I'm going to make you work for it, okay? It is the Nakama II, made by Bear Ops. Bear Ops is a brand of Bear & Son out of Jacksonville, Alabama. But the Nakama II is a tactical folding knife featuring a black DLC-coated 14C 28N stainless steel drop point blade, a crossbar slide lock mechanism, a black aluminum handles with copper accents. And the blade length is approximately 3.15 inches, and it's all made right here in the great old United States of America. But here it is right here, guys. Bear Ops, the Nakama II. But it has the Punisher symbol on the blade. Ain't that cool? See the copper accents it was referring to? But got great action. Needs to be oil, but I'm going to let the winner do all that. I'm not going to put oil on it and ship it. I love the bear paw on the pocket clip. But look here, guys. Microtech and all the high-end brands do a filler tab. The Bear Ops does a filler tab here as well. This is like a $90 knife, $90 to $100 knife right here. And I'm giving it away. See there? Bear Ops. But what you got to do to be eligible to win, guys, you got to comment down below on what your favorite thing is about the Baton 4.0 Pro. Only one comment per entry, okay? But there's a little catch to it. Whatever you like about the Baton 4.0 Pro, you got to put the exact minute where I was talking about the knife, okay? Talking about the feature that you like the best. So to be eligible to win, you got to make a comment down below of what you like best about the Baton 4.0 Pro made by Olight. And you got to put the exact minute I was talking about that feature, okay? And I'm going to pick a comment down below. And there's two ways to order it if you want to order it. That's not you don't have to order one to be eligible to win it, okay? But you do have to comment, just like I said. But if you want to order one, there's two ways. There's a link for Amazon, and there's a link to the Olight store down below in the video description, okay? But it's a great light, guys. I'm fixing to get over here on the table and show you what it's all about. Then we're going to come back over here and talk some more. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, what we have here is the Baton 4 Pro flashlight that's sent to me by Olight. This is a very nice flashlight. I've already opened it up, but we're going to go ahead and take everything out, the charger. Here it is right here in my pocket. Couldn't resist, guys. I had to go ahead and open it. Learn about it. Right there is everything right here. It had a little piece of film right here where it wouldn't turn on without removing that, but you unscrew it like this here, and this little piece right here was blocking the battery from being engaged or turned on or using the power of the battery. It was simply like that. You remove that and screw it back on, and it works. This is a rigid, very grippy flashlight here. But it's got the pocket clip here. You can actually wear it on your pocket. You can actually wear it on your cap. And you can also put it on your gear, your backpack. You can set it down like that and be able to take it off, on and off, by simply putting it in one of the loops on your backpack or something like that. But it has a back button here. It turns on bright. But this here, actually, you can turn it on and has different levels of brightness, as you can see there, just by holding it down. But it also shows you the battery, and it also you can lock it. You hold it down like this, see, and it locks there, and that way it can't accidentally turn on in your pocket or something like that. If you carry it, you know, if you use a pocket clip to carry it in your pocket, you can't accidentally butt that button and it won't turn on. And to unlock it, you just simply hold it down, and see, it shows you the battery, and it also shows you the mode it's on too. See there, that's very light mode, and you hold it down again, it comes on. See, it's got 4 modes there. The moonbeam is just barely turn it on, or just hold it down. But this is a great flashlight by Olight, a great little EDC. It's good to keep in your vehicle. But again, it's got several different brightness levels to it. You can read it right there if you want to. But there it is right there. Moonlight, it will last 100 days on moonlight. Low is 155 hours. Medium, 18 hours and 30 minutes. If you turn it on high, it will last 20 minutes. Very cool. There it is right there, and it's got different functions, operations. There's a Baton 4 Pro, and you also have the Baton Ultra. But I think it's seen strobe. Quick triple press the side switch. I think this is the side switch. There it is right there. That's strobe. You just press it 3 times real fast. That's crazy, ain't it? All right, that's strobe. What's next? What can we play with next? Turbo, quick double press the side switch. There's turbo right there. Wow. That's the same thing as pressing the back button too. I think turbo's a little bit brighter. But it's a good little light, y'all. Moonlight. When off, press and hold the side switch for more than 1 second. So you hold that down. See, it's barely on. See? That'll last 100 days like that, it said. That's pretty cool. And we've already went out the lockout, the unlock, the high. When off, press the tail button. Off. When on, press the tail button. Turbo, quick double presses the tail button. Okay. We didn't do that one. There we go. Turbo. And this is high, see? And this is turbo. Very cool, ain't it? I love that. This is a cool light by Olight, y'all. And how you charge it is simply, you can use this here, okay? It actually has a magnetic end, okay? I have my Jackery right here, 300. We're gonna plug the USB into that right there, and we're gonna show you how to charge it. Right here, see? It's got a regular USB. Okay, so you got the little power to you right there, and then it's it's charging right now. Very cool. But there's another way to charge this too, guys. USB-C right here. And you simply twist and pull down right here. See the USB-C? And you simply just plug it in. I like that a lot better. I can actually charge this from my computer. A lot of computers don't come with the regular USBs no more. These are becoming extinct. It's more going to the USB-C, which I like them. I really do. It transfers the power more. It's faster. Just put it that way. It charges things faster than the old way. But I have yet to charge this. I just pulled it out of the box today. They was wanting me to launch this tomorrow on the 24th, which is today is the 23rd. But again, this is just a very well made flashlight. Very well made. It's really got a good grip to it. And we're going to go out there and I'll show you how you can use it under your hood. It's very cool. Okay guys, here's my truck here. We're going to put it on 3, then we got to put it on that right there because the hood is aluminum, it won't stick. But there it is right there. See, it lights up the engine. That way you can work on it. You need a brighter light, no problem. Just hold it down, see? Pretty cool, ain't it? That's that light. I love it. And it also will attach to that screw there. But see, it won't attach to that right there. It's got to attach to that screw right there, see? That's cool. But that's it right there, guys. A Baton 4.0, the Pro. And see, it's got 4 bar. That was right out of the box too. And see, if you hold it down for 1 second, there's moonbeam there. It ain't very bright at all, but it's enough. It'll get you by. Now you got 4. 2, 3, 4. See? Then you need turbo. You tap it twice. That's turbo. The back button right here, you mash it once. That's turbo. That's high. You mash it twice. That's turbo right there. Very cool. And it'll light up these trees. It's a cool flashlight, but they sent me this flashlight and I like free flashlights, so that's why I'm doing this video. But I would not post it if I didn't like it. There's been several flashlights sent to me I've tried I did not like, but I do like EDC flashlights, guys. There it is right there. Pretty cool. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. That is right there, guys. It is beefy. It is very well made. Olight. You got 2 switches again. You just mash it there, hold it down, it gets brighter. But to turn this thing on moonlight, you just hold it down, just like that. See, that's moonlight there. Then you got 3 more levels of brightness. Hold it down, 2, 3, 4. Turbo, you double click there. And then you do the strobe, you mash it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Ain't that cool? I ain't gonna put it as bright, but anyway, look how well made that thing is. It is grippy, beefy. It weighs 4.02 ounces with the battery. The frame is made out of T6 aluminum alloy. It is, and the pocket clip is stainless. So it's very well made. And again, guys, I can't say enough about this light, but also you can wear it on your hat here. Okay, and the good thing about that is you got the button down below. It is right there, guys. See here, and you can actually hold it down and work. See, very cool, ain't it? I like it. I do. I really do. This is a great light. Great light. It's kind of heavy for your cat, but still you can do it. But again, 4.02 ounces, and it's a beefy knife. You can grip it very well too. And again, there it is right there. Love it. And you can use this clip here again to stick on your backpack like that. Love it. But again, guys, if you want to order one, 2 links are down below. One to Amazon and the other one to the Olight store. Just click on it, it'll carry you right over there. But again, guys, let me know what you liked about the Baton 4.0 Pro. And let me know the actual minute that I was talking about the feature. And you'll be eligible to win this knife. Because I'm going to check each comment that I pick. And I'm going to do it live. Not live, but I'm going to record me picking the comment. And I'll go check it and verify it. And if you're right, then you win this knife. Right here. The Nakama II by Bear Ops. Ain't that cool? Brand spanking new. It's got great action too. It just needs a little oil, or it needs to be wore, but it does need oil. But I'm not going to do it because then it'll be traveling oily, and I'm not gonna do that. But this is the knife you'll win, guys. All you gotta do is watch the video. Let me know what kind of your favorite feature is. We'll pick the winner, and I'll notify them on the comment to email me. If you don't let me know it in 3 days, I'll pick another winner. So I'll keep y'all up to date in the videos to come. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. Okay, guys, I got my phone in my pocket on my shirt. Got the flashlight on my cap here. See here? Got it on my cap. I forgot to let down the hood of my truck here. It's helping me put this. There it is right there. Ain't that cool? Love this flashlight.